Welcome to my 6th class Maths IIT Foundation, second chapter Factors and Multiples. The LCM of A and B is 220. Which of the following can be the HCF of A and B? So the HCF of two numbers must be a factor of LCM. Here LCM is 220. Therefore, which of these numbers is a factor of 220? 20 is a factor of 220. A factor means it must be divide the number. So HCF must be a factor of 220. Therefore, which of the numbers is a factor of 220? 20 is a factor of 220. 33 is not a factor of 220. That is, 33 is doesn't divide 220 without remainder. 15 is also not a factor of 220 because this is not divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Therefore, 20 is a factor of 220 because 20 divides 220 without remainder. So, 0, 0, 2 11s, 22, remainder 0. Therefore, 20 is a factor of 220. Therefore, 20 can be the HCF of the two numbers. Next, which of the following pairs of numbers have their LCM 144? LCM, least common multiple. Here, 36. 18 is a multiple of 36. 8 into 36. 36 is also a multiple of 36. 36 once 36. Therefore, least common multiple of these two numbers is 36. Here, 16 is a multiple of 96. Therefore, 96 is also a multiple of 96. Therefore, least common multiple of these two is 96. And 24 2 is 48. Therefore, LCM is 48. And 9 is not a multiple of 16. Therefore, the product 16 nines is 144 is the LCM of these two numbers. Therefore, option D is correct. LCM of 9 and 16 is 144. So that is the product because there is no common factor for 9 and 16. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3, but this number is not divisible by 3. As there is no common factors, the product itself is the least common multiple of the two factors. Next, the HCF of the two numbers A and B is 12. Which of the following can be LCM of A and B? The LCM is a multiple of 12 or 12 must be a factor of LCM. HCF 12 must be a factor of LCM. So, for 44, 12 is not factor. For 65 also 12 is not a factor. For 76 is also 12 is not a factor. Therefore, 96 is the correct answer because 12 eighths is equal to 96. 12 into 8. 12 eighths 96. Next, which of the following is divisible by 8, 15 and 6? So, which of the following is divisible by these three numbers means the LCM and its multiples. That means the common multiples of 8, 15 and 6 are divisible by the three numbers. So, we have to find out the common multiple or LCM for 8, 15 and 6. So, divide it by 2 to force. As it is not divisible, write it as it is 2, 3, 6. Here these two are divisible by 3. Therefore, this is not divisible by 4. We will write as it is. And 3 5s 15, 3 1s 3. So, next there is no common factor for these two. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So, 5 to 10, 3 4 is 12, 12 into 10, 120. So least common multiple is 120. So here 120 is not there, its multiple 240 is there. So 120 is divisible by 8, 15 and 6, and all its multiples are also divisible by the same numbers 8, 15 and 6. Therefore 240 is a multiple of 120. 122 is 240. Therefore this is divisible by 8, 15 and 6. So next problem, 21st one. Which of the following is not divisible by 9? So divisibility test for 9 is, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. So we will get the sum of the digits in a number. Here the sum of the digits 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. Therefore, it is not the answer. Next, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 0, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. It is divisible by 9. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 9. So, this is not the answer. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 8, 22 plus 8, 30. 30 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Which is the following numbers is not divisible by 9. This is not divisible by 9. We will check this one also. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 9. Therefore, this is not the answer. So, option C is the correct answer. Next, 22nd. Which of the following is divisible by 8? The divisibility test for 8 is, if we take the last 2 digits, last 3 digits, the number formed by the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So, in this number, the number formed by the last 3 digits is 882. This is not divisible by 8. By looking at this number, we can say that it is not divisible by 8. Next here 901, the number formed by the last 3 digits. Is it divisible by 8? Let us see. 8 ones 8, 1 0, 8 ones 8, 2 1. So 8 ones 8 2 16, and a remainder of 4 remains. Therefore, it is not divisible. This is also not divisible. Next, this one 304 is the number formed by the last 3 digits. Let us divide it. 8. So 8 3 is 24. So 6 4, 8 8 is 64. So 304 is divisible by 8. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 8. Let us check this number also. The number formed by the last 3 digits is 436. We will see whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 436 by 8. 8 5s 40, 3, 6. 8 4s 8 4s 32. 4 remains. Therefore, 836 is not divisible by 8. So, this number only divisible by 8. So, this is the correct answer.